Welcome back everyone to another video. We have a hardtop Z4. When driving this car off the lot, it doesn't have a backup camera. So the customer wanted to get a backup camera installed, and today you'll be following along with Russ as he gets it set up. So at our BimmerTech website, once we put in our vehicle's VIN number, you can see it brings up the retrofit kit that's compatible with this E89 Z4 Roadster. It comes with the rear camera, the multimedia interface, and all the necessary cables we need to get this job done. Like I said, today Russ will be installing a backup camera on this Z4. Unless you're an advanced installer, we recommend you get in touch with us or find a local certified BimmerTech installer to get this done for you. To get things underway, let's open up the trunk and start removing these two metal lugs that are attached to the trim inside of the trunk. With those removed, Russ is now going to start removing all the fabric trim that's on the driver's side within the trunk. This retrofit is ideal for drivers looking for a flexible park assist solution that leaves room for customizing and expanding your vehicle's features. It also allows you to add a mirroring device or a front view camera affordably. It's made possible by our multimedia interface that's included with your kit. Along with the fabric trim, he'll also be removing the storage compartments. Then moving on to the plastic trim. Detach the light cabling, and then set that trim aside for later. Here's a location where the cable for the camera is going to be passing through. Next, we'll remove the lights that illuminate the license plate, giving Russ even more control over the cable once passing through. To remove the lights, simply press the pins and pull them out. Next, he'll mark the area to where he'll be mounting the camera. With that marked and ready, now he can drill a hole to mount the camera. With the camera tightened down, now he can run the cable the rest of the way. Once the cable's pulled into the trunk compartment area, then he can start by moving into the cabin and start removing any trim pieces in order to run the cable from the MMI box to connect to the camera. He'll be slowly making his way, removing each individual piece of trim to allow for the cable to have a clear pathway to travel to the MMI box that he'll be installing near the head unit. With the pathway clear, now he can send the cable back to the camera. With that done, now we can connect the two cables and dress it in place before moving on to the connections up front and installing the MMI box. With the connections made in the trunk, he'll put back the trim pieces he no longer needs to have open. Following that, he'll remove the head unit and the rest of the dashboard to make room to run the cables the rest of the pathway to the MMI box that he'll be installing. Next, you can go ahead and continue running the cable that connected in the trunk to the camera up to the MMI box, connect the MMI box, and put the head unit back in and give it a test run. And just as you'd expect like you have from the factory, you have dynamic parking lines that help assist you in your parking efforts. And these lines will move with your steering wheel as you're parking. The system works by overriding the native iDrive display with a full screen camera image. It activates automatically when the car goes into reverse, just like an original BMW backup camera. It's designed to make your car both flexible and compatible with a host of technological upgrades. Want to learn more about the rear view camera retrofit for your specific car? Identify your BMW on our website. Just use your VIN number and you'll see everything that we offer for your car. With all the final touches inside the cabin area, we can move on to the trunk, put everything back together before returning the vehicle back to the customer. And let us know in the comments section below what other videos you want to see us make on our channel. We'll give it a quick cleaning and we're all set. Now we can train the customer on all the features and functions that this kit offers before sending them on their way. And guys, don't forget we have articles, newsletters, and blog posts. Just check out the links in the description below. Once again, guys, my name is Chaz. Thanks for sticking around and watching this video. If you happen to have any questions, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to see the latest videos that we got here at the shop. See you next time.